Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Access Arabic. Today we continue with our Tajweed workshop series. We will begin with module number 6, the rules of Mim Sakina. Don't forget to join Qiraat Club, our free Telegram group where you can practice what you've learnt, inshallah. And now we move on to rule number 2, inshallah, which is Idram Shafawi. So we've learnt from previous videos of the Nun Sakina and Tanweed that Idram means to merge. It is when we completely insert the meme into the next letter and read it as one letter. So whenever a meme sakina is followed by another meme, both will be merged together with ghunna for 2 harakat. So whenever we have a meme sakina and that's followed by another meme, we will just read them as one letter with ghunna for 2 harakat. And we have the examples below. We have وآمنهم hum. Here we have meme sakina and it is followed by another meme, and this is why usually you will see a shadda here anyway to remind you to do ghunna for 2 harakat. So it will not be read as وآمنهم min, it is وآمنهم min. وآمنهم من. And next we have ورائهم محيط. So we have ورائهم, him, we have meme sakina followed by another meme here, and just in case we were confused, there is a shadda there anyway to remind us. So it is not ورائهم محيط, it's ورائهم محيط. ورائهم محيط. ورائهم محيط. And now we move on to the third example. أنهم مبعوثون. أنهم hum. We have a meme sakinah followed by another meme. So we will do idgham shafawi, which is ghunna for 2 harakat. So we have أنهم مبعوثون. أنهم مبعوثون. أنهم مبعوثون. So remember, whenever we have a meme sakina followed by another meme, we do ghunna for 2 harakat. This is called idgham shafawi. It is a merging of the lips. And with that, we'll end this lesson, inshallah. I hope you've taken benefit from it. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and to share this with your friends and family. Share the gift of learning to read the Quran with them. Inshallah, you will get reward, I will get reward, and they will get reward. Let's all share the rewards together. But with that, take care, and I'll see you on the other side, inshallah. Ma'as salama. Take care.